Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Today, we're going to have a quick unboxing and look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Right after this. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share it out as it truly helps out my channel. Inside here should be the charging puck. Let's check that out. Type-C and the charging dock or puck that you would rest the watch on to charge. And as you can see here, it has a new squircle design, no longer just a circle, similar to the Watch Ultra. Has the sensors at the bottom. And as you can see, I opt for the Light Xeon Sports watch band. Installing the watch bands are quite simple. Slap this on the bottom. Just pop it in. It takes care of that one, and then you just go ahead and pop in the other one. And that's it. I just powered this on, pressing that top button and letting it do its thing. And as you can see here, it's on the welcome screen. The watch does need to be set up. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the process and get this watch paired up, and I'll be right back. Watch is just about finished restoring. So now we can go ahead and have a closer look. The watch is all set up. As you can see here, you have this watch face. Let's take a look at the bottom. You have all these cool sensors. What's nice about the Galaxy Watch 8, it has some cool AI features that's built into it, such as Gemini. And if you're not familiar with Gemini, it's the Google Assistant, but next level Google Assistant. It's been upgraded. It has a lot of cool features built into it, and it takes the onboard AI features to the next level. And what's pretty cool about Gemini, it can actually interact with your other apps. It takes it a step beyond by interacting with your onboard or installed applications, which is pretty cool. Another cool AI feature pertains to Samsung Health. It can now read your antioxidant levels. So it pretty much reads and monitors the amount of greens and vegetables that you intake. And then you will have all that information sent right to your phone. Look at the interface. Still go through your screens by sliding across the top just like this. If you're coming off the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, for a size comparison, you kind of see it there. Thickness. And for the Watch Ultra, you can see that it's definitely larger and thicker as well. But besides all that, you still have all your cool Galaxy Watch features and Samsung Health. That hasn't changed, but it just has some more added features. You still have all the cool apps that you can have access to. Let's see how this looks when I wear it. Pretty nice and comfortable. Definitely digging it. So there you have it. Just a quick look at the Galaxy Watch 8. If you're interested, of course, I have a link in the description section of this video. But this completes my quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8.